In 2025, veganism is no longer just a trend. It's a movement taking over the world. From health benefits to saving the planet, the science behind going vegan is hard to ignore. People are ditching meat, dairy, and eggs for reasons that go beyond ethics. Let's explore why everyone's jumping on the vegan train and what the research says. Health benefits that can't be ignored. One big reason people are going vegan is health. Studies show that plant-based diets can improve your body in amazing ways. A 2023 study from Harvard University found that people who eat mostly plants have a 20% lower risk of heart disease. This is because vegan diets are low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which clog arteries. Instead, they're packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants from fruits, vegetables, and grains. Diabetes is another area where veganism shines. A 2024 report in The Lancet showed that plant-based diets can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 30%. Foods like beans, lentils, and whole grains keep blood sugar stable. Plus, vegans tend to have lower body weight, which helps prevent diabetes. Cancer is a scary word, but veganism might help here too. The World Health Organization says eating red and processed meats increases the risk of colon and stomach cancer. On the other hand, a 2024 study in Nature found that diets rich in plant foods like berries, nuts, and greens can lower cancer risk by 15%. These foods have compounds that fight inflammation and protect cells. A 2025 Oxford study found vegans report less anxiety and depression, possibly due to brain-boosting nutrients in plant-based diets. Saving the planet, one meal at a time. Many people are going vegan to help the environment. Meat production causes 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions, more than cars and planes. Producing beef uses lots of land and water, while plant-based foods need much less. Forests, like the Amazon, are being destroyed to raise cattle, harming animals and releasing carbon. Animal farms also pollute rivers and lakes. A 2025 study said going vegan could cut a person's carbon footprint by 50%. With climate change causing droughts and floods, more people are switching to plant-based diets to reduce pollution, save water, and protect nature for future generations. Ethical reasons hit home. For many, veganism is about compassion. In 2025, more people are aware of how animals are treated in factory farms. Chickens, pigs, and cows often live in cramped, dirty conditions before they're slaughtered. Documentaries like Earthlings and social media posts on X have spread the word, showing the harsh reality of animal suffering. A 2024 survey by the Humane Society found that 65% of young people want to eat in ways that don't harm animals. Veganism lets them live by their values. The science of feeling good. Veganism is more than avoiding animal products. It's about feeling your best. A 2025 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that vegans have more energy and better digestion than meat eaters, thanks to nutrient-rich, easily digestible plant foods. These foods also strengthen your immune system, helping you stay healthier. Another bonus? Clearer skin. Dairy can trigger acne by affecting hormones. A 2024 study in Dermatology Today found that removing dairy led to clearer skin within 6 weeks. With more energy and glowing skin, it's clear why many people thrive on a vegan diet. Challenges and solutions. Going vegan isn't always easy. Some worry about getting enough protein or nutrients like vitamin B12, but the science says it's doable. A 2025 guide from the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics says a well-planned vegan diet is healthy for all ages, from kids to seniors. Cost is another concern, but vegan staples like rice, beans, and frozen veggies are often cheaper than meat. In conclusion, veganism benefits your health, the planet, and animals. With growing research, more people are embracing it. In 2025, it's a choice for everyone seeking a kinder world. Even small steps like meatless Mondays help. Try it. Science shows plant-based choices truly make a difference. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Your support matters. Thank you.
Discover the plant-based cookbook with over 200 mouth-watering recipes everyone will love. Click the link in the description to learn more.